Hi, I'm Irish, and today we're going to talk about 5 simple ways to manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Whether you've been living with diabetes for years or are newly diagnosed, these tips will help you stay on track with your health. First, it's crucial to regularly monitor your blood sugar levels. By testing your blood glucose, you can understand how different foods, exercise, and stress impact your levels, and adjust accordingly. Try to check your blood sugar before meals, 2 hours after eating, and at bedtime. Next, focus on eating foods that won't spike your blood sugar. Foods with a low glycemic index, like leafy greens, whole grains, and lean proteins, help keep your blood sugar level steady. Avoid sugary snacks and processed carbs that can cause rapid spikes. Exercise is another powerful way to regulate blood sugar. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Activities like walking, cycling, or even light strength training can help improve your insulin sensitivity and lower your blood sugar over time. Chronic stress can raise blood sugar levels, so managing stress is essential. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to keep your stress levels in check. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Poor sleep can disrupt blood sugar regulation and lead to insulin resistance. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to help your body function at its best. By incorporating these 5 simple strategies into your daily routine, you can take control of your blood sugar and live a healthier life. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes add up over time. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take control of your diabetes. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing diabetes. And if you found this video helpful, share it with others who might benefit.